Mukhang masarap to. These are oysters that I got from Bacoor.
The coastal town of Bacoor is well known for its fresh oysters. Today, I visit the community fish port where oysters can be bought fresh and cheap.
500. Ano niya 500?
500 na...
You have to individually brush each oyster to remove the mud and sand. Finally, after brushing, I let the oysters soak in water with 1/2 cup of salt. To eliminate viruses and harmful bacteria, the oysters are blanched for 2 to 3 minutes in boiling water. Now the oysters are ready to be shucked. We use a blunt bread knife in the absence of an oyster knife to open the shell. We also loosen the mussel and lay it on the half shell. We chose to flavor it with calamansi, salt, and sriracha hot sauce to complement the salty, sweet, ocean-tasting fresh oysters. Masarap talaga!
Kahit ilagay sa tissue, nandito yun.
Binasa niyo lang yung sinend ko sa Viber.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi ko alam yun ah.